Now, I made all this Solana purely from deving meme coins on Pump.Fun, and that's exactly why I'm making this video. I will be gatekeeping the method for you guys all in this video. Keep watching. And by the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. Please do not take this seriously. All cap! Now, there's an exact reason why I launch meme coins instead of trading, and it's really fucking simple. The simple fact is that if you still trade meme coins, bro, you will eventually lose all your money, okay? Because all these coins always go to zero after a couple minutes. For example, this coin, it pumped, and after a couple minutes, boom, the dev completely liquidated the entire position of all their holders. That's exactly why I despise trading. I would actually not even trade anymore. I would just focus on deving if I were you. But if you are still profitable in trading meme coins, well, that's good for you, bro. You can continue. But we as devs, we will strive even better. Now, for example, if I go on another coin like this one, I'm pretty sure, boom, it went to zero, okay? All these coins will eventually just go to zero, and the people who are winning are the devs at the end of the day. We are just launching for completely free. By the way, it costs nothing to launch a meme coin, okay? We're waiting for buyers, and then boom, you can just repeat that method over and over again. And the reason why deving meme coins is so profitable is because it's so untapped. A bunch of people are actually avoiding deving, but they do not know the potential of deving. That's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. I will show you guys exactly how to make a meme coin, launch it, and I will do an example to see how much I can make personally. So keep watching. Now, right here, I made a quick plan of what deving meme coins actually means, okay? Here are all the benefits. Now, first of all, there is no more risk, okay? Like I said, creating meme coins costs literally $0 to make every single time. And obviously, you control the chart. You decide if you want to dump the coin or continue riding that coin up. It's up to you, bro. You are the dev. You are the one who is deciding. And yeah, you do not need a big credit portfolio. All you need is around 0.3, 0.2 SOL, 0.1 SOL, okay? Just to be safe, maybe 1 SOL, okay? That is not a lot, because compared to trading, bro, you need thousands of dollars, but by deving meme coins, you can start for as low as $10. Now, the more launches you do, the more chances you have of making money. That is a fact, because on these 3 of my dev wallets, I had to launch around 1,200 coins in a span of 45 days to make this money. So the point that I'm trying to say is that you have to be consistent. You have to be launching a bunch of coins. Do not give up on the first coin. Now, I will be doing a example in today's video. Okay, you guys will see how it goes, and you can decide if you want to do it or not. And obviously you make money from the creator fees and from the supply that you own as a dev. Now, a bunch of people actually launch meme coins directly onto Pump.Fun, bro, but that is where most people waste their time and fucking energy and all their money and their potential, because by launching meme coins here, bro, you're wasting your time. Like I said, every single coin that you will launch will flop because it's oversaturated, okay? Unless you get really fucking lucky and you hit the lottery, you could print, but I would not recommend it, because the whole point of diving is to get your coin to the Raydium DEX, which will require a $55,000 market cap, and that's why I make my meme coins onto create meme.io directly, because this launchpad launches all your meme coins directly to Raydium instantly, which will be shown to thousands of fucking traders on the spot, and you will be able to bag apers and make your coin go viral even more by launching on create meme.io, bro. If you're a dev that wants to improve or you want to start deving right now, you have to use this launchpad. I will do an example. Now, you can either make a coin from scratch or copy a coin, okay? Now, making a coin from scratch is easy. All you need is a narrative. So, for example, the penguin fucking meme went viral. That could have been a really good coin to create. Any viral tweet, any narrative will work. Then come back to create meme, invent a name, add a quick symbol, add a quick image, and then your meme coin is live after these steps. But I personally copy coins to make my money every single day, because all of these coins are going viral on Pump.Fun, and they're all proven to fucking get attention. They all have volume, and you know, they're all going viral right now, which means if you copy a coin here to Raydium, well, you will be able to bag way more profits on your copy and maybe even surpass the original coin that you copied, because you are going directly to Raydium right here in front of a bunch of people. Now, I will do an example. Alright, now it's time to actually deploy the token, okay? This part of the video will be the most important watch of your fucking life, okay? Now, first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, right? Just like this, boom. It's automatic. Then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I like to copy anything, right, that looks good. I'm gonna copy the, I don't know, the Skynet. It has a last buy 1 second ago, so click on copy to Raydium. Then in your block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, then click on confirm, and then the Skynet coin should be copied on chain. Just give it some time. Boom! Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our coin. Now this page, right, this step is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool, and then that will allow you to control everything in your wallet, okay? Every single token, and that's how we make money from this launch, right? Now token A, click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens for the supply in your coin. Token B is where we put our first buy in. It's the first ever transaction in your own coin, so that you buy a piece of that supply and you own, you know, a percentage to make money off of, right? Now I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL. It's the minimum. Click on create pool right after. And then obviously, bro, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, fucking confirm. After that, when that is done, click on refresh, then scroll down, and boom, the coin is now live. It's created and your P&L will show up right there. And then if you want to check your profits at any given time, click on this button for a second time. Like that, it refreshes, and boom, we're up 120 already in a matter of like a minute. Now, click on view on Photon or on Nova or on Axiom to see the chart, or you can go on any platform, right? Your coin is like right here. Now click on, let me go on full screen to see the coin better. The transactions should start coming in. And now the coin is live, okay? If I had to guess, I think we're up like 150 if I had to guess or some shit, bro. Now the chart might look a bit weird at the beginning, but the more people who ape in, and the more views you get on your coin, okay, organically, the more, you know, the chart will go up. And that's how it works as a dev, okay? By the way, do not get emotional, do not fucking stress out. This coin costed us like $0, right? So, you know, all of these are all organic buyers. Boom, 100 right there. Oh my god, 60. Things are looking good. It's already starting to get a momentum. We're getting momentum. That is good. 1.4k market cap. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and when I come back after this time lapse, we will see how much we are up and how to cash out. So we're back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 3.8k market cap, 1.8k liquidity. Things are looking good. Now, to cash out, come back to create meme.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $2,000 right here. Now, click on the minus button. Do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom White to pop up. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish. Now, if I open my wallet, bang! 2.1k went in my wallet, bro. Just like that. And then you can do that over and over again. It's obviously all for educational purposes only, but this is why deving meme coins is way better than trading. You've seen it in front of your own eyes. Now it's up to you to take action. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, or simply go on Google. And yeah, bro, subscribe, like, join my Discord, join my Telegram. Peace.